Today I'm going to show you how to reset a maintenance required on a 2007 Toyota Highlander Hybrid. First, you got to turn on the key. Alright, it doesn't matter which screen you're on, average, MPG, current MPG, odometer screen, battery screen, outside temperature screen. It doesn't matter which screen you're on. You can always reset it. Okay, let's put it on this screen right here. Current MPG screen. So you want to do is turn off the ignition. And you want to hold down this odometer trip. Hold it down while turn the ignition to the on position.
Once the ignition is at the on position, you will see the screen maintenance required reset mode and the 5 squares turning solid. After all the 5 squares turn solid, it will show complete and the triangle with exclamation mark inside, just like in this screen.
Alright, first you push it down, turn the key to the on position, and you'll see that right there, maintenance required reset mode. That's it. That's all it is. So just remember that it doesn't matter which screen you're on. It didn't have to be on the odometer screen. It can be in any screen right there. That's it. Thanks for watching.